Hey everyone, today we're diving into a crucial concept that comes up in corporate meetings, whether it's a board of directors meeting or a shareholders meeting, and that is the quorum. We'll explore what a quorum is, how it works, and why it's vital for investors to ensure that they are part of the quorum in both shareholder and director meetings. Let's start with the basics. What is a quorum? A quorum is the minimum number of directors or shareholders required to be present at the directors or shareholders meeting for it to be considered valid. Think of it as a baseline attendance required before any decisions or resolutions can be made. If you don't meet this minimum, the meeting either cannot proceed or any decisions made may be deemed invalid. Quorum requirements are typically set out in the company's constitution or articles of association, but they may also be governed by law. For example, in many companies, a quorum for a shareholders meeting might be set at 2 shareholders, or it could be a percentage of total shareholding, such as 25% or 50% of the voting shares. For board of directors meetings, it is common to have a quorum of at least 2 directors. This ensures that decisions are being made with sufficient input from a balanced number of directors rather than just a few. So how do quorums actually work in practice? When a meeting is called, whether it's a shareholder meeting or a board meeting, the first thing that needs to be confirmed is whether a quorum is present. If not enough people show up, the meeting might need to be rescheduled or adjourned. This ensures that key decisions are made with adequate representation and participation. For example, if a quorum isn't met, no resolutions such as approving dividends, appointing directors, or approving financial statements can be passed. It's a safeguard to prevent major decisions from being made by too few people. Now let's talk about the importance of quorum for investors, especially those with smaller stakes in the company. As an investor, ensuring that you are part of a quorum in both the shareholder meetings and board of directors meetings is crucial. Why? Well, being included in the quorum means that you have a say in major decisions that can affect your investment. If a quorum is met without you, important decisions such as decisions on issuing new shares, major financial decisions, or even appointing new directors can be made without your input. By ensuring you are part of the quorum, you maintain influence over key company decisions. In some cases, you might even want to negotiate specific clauses in the company's constitution or a shareholders agreement that ensures that you or your representative must be present to form the quorum. For example, a shareholders agreement could state that the quorum for any shareholders meeting shall be 2 shareholders, one of whom shall be the investor. This can give you additional control over how decisions are made, especially if you have significant investment at stake. Remember, a quorum clause that includes you as an investor is a safeguard. It ensures that the meeting cannot proceed and decisions cannot be made without your presence or consent. So to sum it up, a quorum is the minimum number of people needed to make a meeting valid. It ensures that decisions are made with sufficient representation. And in the case of investors, making sure that you are part of the quorum is essential in protecting your interests and having a voice in important decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on corporate law and investor protections. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.